Welcome to Learn Quick YouTube channel.
Good afternoon.
Hello. Can I help you find something?
Yes, where can I find the bread?
Bread is in aisle 3, next to the milk.
Great, thanks. Do you also have fresh fruit?
Yes, at the back, near the vegetables.
Perfect. I'll grab some apples.
Anything else today?
Maybe some eggs and cereal.
Aisle 5 for that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Does bus number 15 go to the city center?
Yes, it does. It should be here in 5 minutes.
Oh, good. I'm meeting a friend for lunch.
Nice. The city center has great cafes.
Yeah, we're trying a new Italian place.
Sounds delicious.
Do you take this bus often?
Almost every day. It's usually on time.
That's good to know.
Here it comes now.
Perfect timing. Thanks for the info.
No problem. Have a nice trip.
Hi there. Hello. Looking for anything special?
Yes, I need a shirt for a party.
What color would you like?
Maybe blue or white?
We have new shirts over here.
Oh, this one looks nice.
That's one of our best sellers.
Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting rooms are right behind you.
It fits well. I'll take it.
Great choice. That'll be $25.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have fun at your party.
I will. Thanks again. What a beautiful day. Yes, the weather is perfect. I come here to relax after work.
Me too. I like reading by the fountain.
That sounds nice. Do you live nearby?
Just 10 minutes away.
Lucky you. I have to drive here.
Still, it's worth it for the peace and quiet.
Absolutely. Nature helps me recharge.
Same here. Fresh air always feels good.
I should come more often.
You should! See you around.
See you.